Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Friday, September 29th. Time is around 6 GMT and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Ovanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and my take on the DAX is that we made a wave 1 high here in the higher degree, and that we are now going down as a wave 2. We were a bit in doubt if this was a wave 2 down or a wave 4 down, but in the meantime, we took out the 0.618 FIB retracement. So I would rather see this as a wave 2 than a wave 4. Of course, now it all depends what we get next. We will know this later in a few weeks. We will know exactly what this was here. But now, the most important thing is to forecast the direction from here. I would say from where we currently are. So, okay, wave 2 down, or let's say corrective structure down, and I think the corrective structure down is an WXY structure. It starts to look more and more like this. I mean, the WXY structure is already quite a long time here on my charts, but now day by day we get more and more confirmation. So the WXY looks like ABC here, ABC here, then here ABC with an expanded flat structure here in between this wave as a wave B here. Now, I think the main question is is this correction now complete? Well, we took out this wave W here, so technically it can be complete, or wave Y goes deeper than the wave W. This has to happen. This should happen. It also happened, but now, like, if I look at this structure here, so the wave Y is also an ABC. And now if I look at this structure, I am missing here a really clear wave 4. Like this, the waves here in this structure are not really outspoken. Okay, for a wave 2 this can happen, and a wave 2 is probably situated here, but a wave 4 you expect to be more clear, because you should have some bumping around. And actually I think this is what is happening right now. I think we are doing a wave 4 now, and so I would not exclude that we make another low. We can hold it, but then, the wave 4 is not really visible or not really clear, I would say. Then our wave 4 could be maybe situated here or also here. But it's not really clear. If we are doing analysis, we try to put as much clues as possible together. And okay, from a swing perspective, you could say 1, 2, and then maybe 3, 4, 5, very shallow wave 4. But this is not really supported in RSI. Like, if you follow me for a while, what I like to see in an impulse is a wave 1, a wave 2, like this, wave 1, wave 2. We have an RSI trend line. Wave 4 is breaking the RSI trend line to the upside. And then we make another low here with divergence in RSI. So this is the structure that I like to see. It does not always happen, just like Fibonacci retracements or Fibonacci levels are not always respected. But yeah, I prefer to see this. And actually, if it would turn out, then there is a high chance here that we, yeah, that our way or fifth wave down nicely coincides here with this area, and this would kind of be perfect as a trade setup. Like, we know that the wave y should go here into this area. If we take the length of the wave w, the length of the wave x, then we should go here into this area between the 1 and the 1.618 fib extension. So if we would get now a fifth wave down ending with divergence, that would be kind of perfect, and then I would expect upside again. Is this upside the beginning of a new cycle up? So the fifth wave, no, I'm sorry, the first wave up then of a wave three. Maybe can also be the wave. Yeah, there is not much chance, but can also be the fifth wave then of a wave one. Although we took out the 0.618 fib retracement, so it's unlikely that we have a wave four here. Or it can also be yeah, some upward rally, and then we continue further down. So we have a bigger WXY structure, and we go into this area because this is actually the ideal wave two target. Now I will discuss this in more detail, the paths that we can have from here this weekend in my higher time frame analysis. So make sure you don't miss that. Now, if we go to the 1 hour, yeah, not much to add here. Like I said, in the 4 hour, ideally, I would like to see a wave five here, a wave five down. So now we are doing the wave four. This starts to look like a wave four. Like, if we take the Fibonacci levels, then we know here that our wave four should go into the area between the 0.146 and the 0.618 level. So this area here. And if I would have to put like a first, so we know that the wave four yeah, is a corrective structure. So it goes in three. And so the first three waves I see is right here. Like, I would say this is an A, this is a B, and then we know that the wave C should end here between the 1 and the 1.618 fib extension. Yeah, but like, this is the first three waves I see, but look, what could happen is, as a wave four, this can still be or wave one, or wave A. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave A, then B down, and then a C up, like reaching the limits of the wave four area. So this is a bit unclear for the moment. Like, for the moment, I would do it like this, but yeah, know that this can also be the wave A here. So wave A, B, C, and then we have our wave four. So yeah, I think this is the situation now in the DAX. The low could be in, although yeah, I prefer to see a clear fourth wave, which might now be ongoing, and this fourth wave should then be followed by a fifth wave, and then I think we're good to go again. Then we might see upside again. So that's my analysis for the DAX this weekend. I will I will come up with a higher time frame analysis. Look at the different scenarios we have there. Now that we are close to complete, or we completed the corrective structure. So yeah, make sure you don't miss that video. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you this weekend for an analysis of the higher time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.